Production and sales. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was a defining moment for the iconic car, marking a new era in its production and sales history. That year saw Volkswagen ramp up production, with more than 1 million units rolling off the assembly line in Germany alone. This fine example, a sunroof sedan originally sold for $1,575. The popularity of the VW Beetle was reaching new heights, and it quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world, especially in the US, where it gained a massive following. Drivability and practicality. The Volkswagen Beetle was designed to be a practical and affordable car for the masses, but it was also built to be fun to drive. With rear-mounted engine and lightweight body, the VW Beetle was an excellent example of efficient German engineering. Despite its small size, the VW Beetle was surprisingly spacious, making it an ideal choice for families, students, and anyone looking for an affordable and practical car. With its classic styling, comfortable interior, and simple controls, the VW Beetle was a car that was easy to drive and own. And, with its reliable and efficient engine, the VW Beetle was a car that was known for its longevity, low maintenance costs, and impressive fuel economy. History and origins. In the 1930s, Hitler had a vision for Germany to become a major industrial power, and part of that vision included the development of a car for the masses. He believed that every German family should have access to a car, and he tasked Ferdinand Porsche with designing a vehicle that was affordable, efficient, and easy to operate. This was the origin of the Volkswagen Beetle. The first Beetle was produced in 1938 and quickly became popular in Germany and around the world. Its simple yet innovative design, combined with its affordability, made it an instant classic.